Okay.
Sorry, the network is quite bad.
No problems. I'm here.
So I think I already shared this one with you before. I don't know if you have any complaints about it.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
I can see you've been really busy. So I said I think I've shared this one with you before.
Oh,
I
okay.
need you to take make comments
Okay.
about it.
Okay, you shared some files with me.
Yes,
Ah, my bad. I didn't see. I'm so sorry.
before before today.
I'm so sorry. I didn't see it.
No, it's fine.
You would have just sent me a DM. You know the business line that you mostly message at times. I'm
It
not
was
always.
WhatsApp message.
Yeah, I'm not always the one with the phone.
Oh,
I'm not always with the phone all the time. So the
oh,
thing is whenever my colleague brings it to me, that's when I just sit back and reply the message. That is yours.
oh.
Yeah.
How do I remove this comment from the
Just press
line?
shift C to hide the comment. Shift C should hide the comment. Exactly. So please hide this stuff that is showing. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You designed this. Oh, this is
I replicated a design. I
okay.
sent it to you, the replica that I used.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. That
I
I think I.
replicated a design to you.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, I think you made a comment on that.
Okay. This is quite nice. Very 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 nice. At least whatever you want to do, you can always build on from here. Apart from the fact that for me, the text landmark beach, Lagos, Nigeria, it's and then the good beach, blah blah blah. Like I can't even see the other thing after the good beach. So now in this case, what
Yes.
you can do is you can just do a gradient on it, like um, you can have like the gradient we did for the product page. That
Yes.
exact that fashion product page. So you can just do like a
Yes.
gradient whereby the top part, that is the umbrella part is visible.
For the picture.
Yeah, on top of the picture. Yeah. Now the thing is
Okay.
not like you're going to change the picture to gradient too. You're going to add another
Yeah.
frame on it, and then you make that a gradient. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, so
Like overlay.
exactly overlay. That's what the right word to use. So yeah, that like
Okay.
overlay. So the top part will be visible while the bottom part will have a bit contrast of black in it. Yeah, exactly. So
Oh,
that
I was looking for a picture with
that with dark background, right? With dark
with
background, right?
the bottom. Yes,
No,
yes.
I understand, but the thing is,
I searched and searched. I did not.
I understand. The thing is, the app in the future is something that the users will be the one to add pictures manually themselves. So you want to factor in that when designing the app, because the system, it's not like you're going to program the system that it should only take dark images. So the users might want,
Yes.
since users are the ones uploading the locations of the beaches, then there might be a case where they pull up pictures of a brighter picture that is as bright as this one that you put here. So obviously it's going to be there's going to be a challenge, like but just like we're having it here like this, and for someone who is visual impaired,
Yes.
it's going to be difficult for the person to see what is there. Exactly. So now, but if you've designed it in such a way that it should have an overlay, then it's going to be programmed along. So whatever photo a user might upload in the future, would definitely have the overlay in it, and that's it. So the bottom part where the information lies will be projected, like it's going to contrast the color, the overlay color, yeah, and that's it.
I get that.
All right, yeah, that's great. Okay, aside
Next one,
from
yeah.
showing me this, is there anything you want us to talk about regarding this design? But for me, the design is very very sleek, very very sleek, well
Mm,
organized. I mean the Yeah, I mean, I like the fact that you're following the flow already. Just that the part where we have this recommended, please, can you please move your recommended, the what's it called?
hey,
The beach at the bottom of that, right? The image is not aligned with the image at the top of the special for you. So I think it's auto layout you use. So what you can do here is maybe you can just space in between so that they move both to the left hand side and then the right hand side. Oh, okay. I see what you did there. Okay, you are
okay,
you.
what's that?
No, nothing. I thought maybe you used auto layout, but what you used was
No, I did not.
frame. Frame is was what you used. So it have to be close to the edge.
I think I actually, I can't even remember. I'm supposed to move to the edge and then bring this one closer.
Um,
Like, does it look good
if
this way?
no, this it looks good still. Do you understand? But then if I'm the one, right, instead of having it in a frame, I would rather put it in auto layout. Then I might probably put the auto layout in a frame. But however you do it is fine, because still putting it in the frame is not a bad idea. Do you understand? So it's still fine. In as much
Okay.
you balance the design, then that works well.
So does this look balanced?
Yeah, sure, it is now. It is balanced now. It is
Okay.
balanced, like, and the alignments, like all the stuff are well positioned to the left hand side, and that makes sense. So it is balanced. Every other thing, the design is okay, sleek, perfect, right choice, right spacing in it, and then right
Okay.
choice of color. However, you might want to change the color from blue to black, to red rather, or to any other color that of your own choice. That is, if you don't want to use the
During
blue.
this
the
color,
the brand color, I'm sure you copy the brand
this,
color. Yes, the brand color, I'm
okay,
sure you
okay.
copy the brand color from the
Yes,
design.
I did,
Exactly. So now the thing is, I'm
I
saying
did.
that so that it looks a bit
Yes,
different, so that it looks a bit different, so you can just try to
different.
so that you can just try
Okay,
to iterate the color. So that's what I'm saying. But however, if you want to
okay,
stick with this
okay.
one, it's not a bad idea still. It's all
No,
work
that's
fine.
fine. Yeah, no, that's fine.
Yeah, it works fine and well. I feel others should even join this meeting if they have the time, but too bad, I don't know how they are doing.
Mhm.
Do you get? Okay, let's keep
Okay,
going.
so I'll work on that. Then I want to ask, what what are these things called? I've been using Futa for them.
Yeah, yeah.
What are they called?
Navigation actually. For
Okay,
mobile
okay,
app, it is navigation, because you use that to navigate from one side to the other side, like from the home to the
okay,
favorite to the settings to the other one. So you can call it navigation nav. Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
I'm still working on this, but I have a challenge that I've been waiting for you to help me. So this is what I was trying to design.
Oh, whoa. I like the project you're picking up. Really, really nice project. Really nice project. Okay, let's get started. Please, can you zoom in from the top side?
But
Okay, okay.
okay,
No, 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 you go ahead. You were saying something. Please go ahead first.
yeah, if you look at this, you see that I had challenge with the pencil, I guess. I was trying to shaping this. There is a starting shape here that is not rounded like what I did here. It's
Okay.
not exactly a circle like this, a perfect circle like this.
Yeah.
So I was trying, I really tried to do it, but I could not remember how to do it how to tell it. So it really affected the project because I'm supposed to have rounded it up. So the same thing, the same thing for this side. So I thought maybe, and I think it's also at the bottom too, or something like this. So I thought maybe it would help, but in all, this is what I've been able to come up with. And your comments, suggestions, and other things are welcome.
Okay. But I can barely hear you. You're still talking though. But if you're done, then I think I should just go for it from there.
No, I'm done. I'm done. But I don't know if you heard what I said.
Yeah, I got that. I
I
captured.
have.
Yeah, sure, I
Okay,
captured that.
okay,
Okay, now the thing is,
okay.
yeah, I think I walked you through that in the earlier class that we
Yes,
had.
you did. Yes, you
Okay,
did.
that's fine. So now the thing
And I'm
is,
not even
please,
denying that one.
I understand. Okay, please. So try to click on the circle. Let's just work on it then. Exactly. Now you see that thing beside component. That is called edit object. That thing that icon. That's exactly edit
Okay.
object. Exactly. So if you select it, click on it, please. That gives you the
Move.
room to edit the object shape. So please help me drag this scroll at the bottom. No, the scroll, not that
To
scroll,
the top.
not the one on the side, the one at the bottom, the scroll at the bottom. Yes, let me
To the
drag it.
right.
No, no, to the left, so that we can see what we're trying to replicate. No, 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 this scroll, exactly. Yeah, yeah, exactly. I think that is fine and that's okay. So now here's the thing. So now what you're going to do from here is you're going to grab that pen tool beside the select tool or move tool at that top left bar, top left side, top left corner. Exactly. So you select that and then you click on, you create a, no, come and click, no, control Z. Okay, don't worry, no, 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 don't worry. Exactly. Now click on the shape, select a particular side in the shape, just click on a particular edge of the shape. That's okay, and that's fine. So now go back to select the select tool, the one beside the what you just picked right now, the left. Escape, press escape on your keyboard. Okay, that's fine. Exactly. Now select that one, move to the move to, just select it once. Exactly. Now come back to that thing that you just added. Now adjust it inward. No, you are not selecting it. You have to select that thing, that node that you just created. The node, no, not the angle. No, the node,
Okay.
exactly. Select first and then drag it inside, inward, inward. Exactly, exactly, exactly. So now begin to control the angles. You can now control the angle with those two angle from here. So now, no, no, select that one. Yes, no, 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 don't select that one. And the angle now, don't drag this one. Oh, or yeah, you can. No, 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 please wait. Just wait, just wait. So select what you've selected. The node that you selected. Node is different from angle.
Yes.
Node is that circle. Then the
Yes.
angles are just the one left and up
Yes.
and down. So please drag the node up a
Yes.
bit. Drag the node up a bit. Done. Exactly. Perfect. Now, what you're going to do is the angle bottom, just drag it out a bit. Out a bit. No, no, no. No, not out. Down, rather. Down. I meant down, not out.
Okay.
Exactly. And that's okay. That's okay. Okay. So now let's come back to the other one. The middle one. The middle one. The
So
middle
this
node.
part is supposed to go inward.
Okay, inward. If that's the case, then you can make it inward. But however, you can always walk your way around
I
it.
can do this later. Yeah, I'll
Exactly, yeah.
do.
So that's
Now that I know.
that's the concept. So you click on done when you're done with it. Like you click on done, that's
Okay.
button done. Yeah.
So when I want to edit it again, I'll go back to
That's the thing. That's the button there. Edit
Okay.
button. And that's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So now, but then I have a complaint a bit regarding this. So
Please
please scroll to the left hand
go
side.
ahead.
Select the pan tool. H on your keyboard. H on your keyboard. H. And now drag to the left. Not right. Left. Abi, which one? Maybe right then. I don't know exactly. Please zoom in a bit. Plus on the keyboard. And then no, that's too much. Please, let's come to no, that's too much. Let's come to this thing that is showing 100% and type maybe 95 or 890. Then no, not that one, not pass through. The one beside the prototype icon. Exactly. Maybe 80. Press 80. Type 80 or 85. 85%. Then enter. Okay, and that's fair enough. So we can see both of them like this. So please drag it a bit to the so I can see both of them exactly. That's what I want to achieve. Now if you look at the space between their own, your food, the description text, and then the button looks okay, but yours is not. Yours, the description and then the button are closer, while the description to the heading text are far away from each other. But in their case, they have both the description space and then the heading space equal. They have equal spaces.
Here and there.
Exactly, yeah, and there, exactly. So now, and that's not just the only thing. Another thing is, their description isn't as bold as yours is. So that's to show some kind of hierarchy. So yours shouldn't be this bold, because yours
Please
looks.
let me comment on that
Okay.
because I had that same challenge. So when I was trying to select, let me reduce the size for a moment. When I was trying to select my frame, I observed that there is no frame I could pick that is not wider than their image.
Okay, I'm
I
not.
don't know if you
Okay,
understand.
I'm listening first.
So by the time I was trying to input my own
Information.
information, so if I make use of the sizes that they use, you understand? If
Yeah.
I make use of something close to what they use,
Yeah.
I mean, this this frame will it will
It will look
I don't know
scanty.
there
It
will
will
be
look
too much
scanty.
space. Yeah,
I
yeah,
understand,
exactly.
but that's not what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
so okay, okay.
I get what you're saying. It's
So
going to
I
really.
needed to
Yeah,
mention that. Maybe that's fine.
yeah. I understand what you're saying. Obviously, because
Okay.
they are different sizes. Now, but one thing I'm trying to point out or make that I'm trying to make you see is that
Yeah.
your favorite food. Please kindly select it. Just press V on the keyboard. Okay, V and select it. Control select. Control select. Mm-hmm. Exactly. Now it is in semi bold here. Change that to please change it to maybe extra bold.
Well, you pick up.
Okay, and then reduce the line height a bit. The line height, that's the auto. The auto. The auto. No, the auto. That thing that shows auto. Yeah, please adjust it to the left hand side. No, just drag it, screw it to the left hand side. No, you're moving away from it. Just closely move your. Wait. That's fair enough. So you can go left and right. You see what's going to happen. Drag. No, no, no. So you are going to the left hand side.
It's my network.
I get, okay, I get it. No, it's too much.
So
That's too
you
much.
want me to?
That's too much. Line space is too much.
How is it now?
Maybe 100 or 106. I think it's 106 that you put it the other time. That looks well. 106 or 105. Let's try that. Exactly. This is okay. Now, you can see it's a bit different from the way it looks before.
Yeah.
Now, please select that one, the description at the bottom. Exactly, that's in semi bold. They are not supposed to be in the same semi bold together. So this can be in medium. So you see, we are not tampering with the sizes, but we are tampering with the font weight.
Yeah.
Exactly. Now, how is it now? It's a bit
It's
different.
better.
Exactly. Now, what's going to adjust now is the other noun button. So that is going to come down more. So please change the y-axis. Okay, yeah, okay, that's fine. Until you get equal space. Why don't you, instead of you pressing your keyboard down, it's okay, that's fine. You can use the y space, y direction.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. So now, lastly, what you're going to do is, if you see that the heading text is thick black, while
Yes.
the description is also thick black. So let's not make the description thick black. Let's make it
Okay.
a shade of black. Maybe select and a shade that is not as thick as that.
It's actually a shame because it's not. I didn't use 00.
Okay. But I
I used
think it's the
white ink.
same. I think it's the same with the heading. I just want it to
Yes,
be a
please.
bit different. No, don't reduce the opacity.
So should I? Okay. Okay.
Just select that a bit to the top, and that's okay. Please then close it. So I feel the spaces. Okay, now what's going to happen now is, if you look at yours, the space between the
Yes.
heading and then the foodie, the menus, are too closer to each other. So you have to select everything like your favorite, the review, blah 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 blah, the description, and then the other now, yeah, the entire frame like that. And please drag it down a bit. Drag them down a bit. Exactly, that's perfectly done. It is perfect now. The only thing that now needs to change now are the menus. The menus are too big. You need to reduce their sizes
Yes.
a bit, and then they are too close to the top, and the logo is also too big. You can see now that we're making view corrections on your design so that it looks top notch. So these are the things you are going to check and balance whenever you are doing a project. You want to check the hierarchy, you want to check the alignment,
Okay.
you want to check the spacing, the how balanced the design is. These are the things you need to look out for. And then the color combination, the color contrast.
Yes. So I can actually change my own color, be completely different, not minding whatever was used.
Yeah, yeah.
So okay, so I'll work on that and then I'll let you know or show you the outcome afterwards.
No problem.
Should I scroll down so you can make other
If I'm
correct?
going to stay on that, no, just use the idea or the concept that I just walk you through
Okay.
now
Okay,
to
so okay.
do for all. So you check.
But please, before that,
Okay, you check. I'm coming.
look
Sorry.
at this poem here.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
No, no, please go ahead.
This poem here has a dot at the bottom. How do I achieve that?
Yeah, that's auto layout. So you create a circle and then you reduce the size, and then you auto layout
Okay, and
the,
put it there.
yeah, auto layout the home and then the circle together.
Okay.
Exactly. So the concept is, you check space, and then, yeah, your button is supposed to be having yellow shadow, because I'm seeing yellow shadow
This
in
one.
that button, that other noun button, but yours is not having.
Okay.
Or is it not shadow? It is.
How are you seeing it though?
I mean, I'm just trying to close my eyes to see that actually.
in oh,
Sorry, Control Z. Yeah.
okay, yeah, there is.
Mm-hmm. It has. Same with the white button as well. That also has shadow in it. So we just have to fix things up, yeah, and get going
So
from there.
last one.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Look at this plate now.
Hmm.
The picture I could get because I believe they also got the picture. I'm not,
No, no. This picture, this kind of picture is was created. When I mean created, not
I
like,
saw it though. I saw it on Splash.
oh wow,
I
really?
believe.
Because
Yes, I
because
saw it
because
there.
because it looks created to me, like something that
I saw
is
it there, but it has the what do you call it?
background.
This bit here. Yes, it has background.
Please zoom in.
Bit here.
Please zoom in. Okay, I can't see that yet. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's great. So what's going to happen here is
Yeah.
you're going to select your. Let's just make a copy of this picture because I don't want us to tamper with this
Okay.
one that you've made a component. So please kindly control select the picture itself. Control select the picture itself. Okay, here, yeah, duplicate. That's great. So please detach this from what's it called, component.
This one.
No, no, no. The one, no, not
Okay,
the.
this one.
Yeah, you can't detach the component itself. It's the instance you can just detach. So please let's take the picture out of the frame.
Picture.
Yeah, it's, you can see Unsplash is
Right?
inside I am frame 7 in the layer section.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's take it out of the frame and let's delete the frame. You have to select it first. Mm-hmm. So let's delete the frame. Exactly. So let's select the picture. So now right click first on your let's right click on it here. Your plugins. Okay, you don't have remove background. Please find more plugins. Remove background. Remove. Remove BG. BG. Yeah, that's it. Please run it. Well, I guess you have to set up API keys. I guess you have to set up API keys. You have to set up API keys. I don't know, but let's check it out first.
API what?
You have to set up an API key, but then let's check it out if it's going to run without prompting you to do that. If it prompts you, then you have to go create an account with on the platform, and then to generate an API key.
Yeah, it's saying that set API key first.
Yeah, yeah. Please click on it to follow it, but it's not updating here yet.
Should I just plug in something?
No, no. You just click here. Come to remove BG. You are not supposed to come back here. You just click on the stuff. But however, come to remove BG and come to set up API key. So go to remove BG website. So now please click on that link. Yeah,
This one,
yeah,
the first one.
yeah. That's the instruction. So please scroll down a bit. I can't even remember how I did mine then. But let's scroll down a bit. Figma, that's the thing. Figma plugin. Yeah. Install. I'm coming. So the blah blah blah. I guess it does. It is. Please come back to the dashboard.
Figma.
No, 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 no. The first one, the food landing page. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry, this is where we're supposed to go to. Please click on that second link. You can close every other one that opened. Please scroll to the top. New API key. Yeah. Oh, we didn't even label it. You can label it as Figma API key. That's untitled. No, not that one. No, that's the key. The untitled. Just change the untitled to Figma. Capital letter F. Yeah, then copy it and then save changes.
I can go back to
Yeah,
landing.
exactly. Then you can go back to Figma. Yeah, exactly. And save. Then let's try to run the plugin again on this. Perfect. So that's it. Let's try to move it today.
Oh, thank
You're
you.
welcome. Let's try to move it to the artboard.
Wow.
So you
Now I
just,
can recite.
yeah, you press K to scale it. K on the keyboard. K, okay. And Alt, press Alt. Press Alt. No, K and then no scale and alt. Press while you are scaling. Control Z. Control Z.
Okay.
While you are scaling, hold alt as well.
Okay.
No, no, no.
Okay.
No. Control Z. You've moved. Now here is the thing. Carefully release your hand.
I released.
It
I
duplicate.
think it has hung.
It duplicated, Abby.
Wait, there's one movement there.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now it's
Okay, now
back.
please go back there to the edge, to the angle. Now click and drag while holding alt.
Okay.
You see that
Okay.
on both
Yeah.
sides.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's
Yeah, then you
okay.
can release your hand once
Thank
you're done.
you.
You're welcome. Alright, that's fine. So, and in case you want to crop it too, you can click on the crop tool, because that space that is taking is too much. That crop, no, the crop is beside the, no, it's beside the, yeah, that one. So yeah, so you just adjust yeah, the side, adjust it inward. Same thing for the right hand side too. Exactly, exactly. That can exactly.
Nice.
That's perfect. Then once you're done, you just click on escape. Like you close this image stuff that is opened. That image box that is open, you close it exactly, and that's perfect.
Okay. Thank you. My friend and I are working on it together. I had to use Photoshop.
Oh yeah,
I didn't know it's this easy. It's
yeah,
actually better than this.
yeah. You can even do it on their
Thank
official website. That's if the picture is not on Figma.
Yeah, I used that on my phone. I used that on my phone. I
So
didn't know I could use it on Figma.
you can use it on Figma. Alright, so that's that about that. So every other one just have to follow the guide that I gave with the top one to fix
I
the
will, and once I'm done, I will share it with
no wahala, no wahala. So for the map, I guess all you need to do is you just get a random map on what's it called, on Google. Although some people create, now the thing is you type map Tehran is the Tehran view that you are going to capture. This is it, Tehran. I'm typing the spelling in the charts. You say the name of the location. So take for example, you say let's say Lagos. Let's say a particular place, Ikeja City Mall
you.
map, then Tehran.
Where will I type that?
That's on Google.
Okay.
Because we have different view of map, different map view. We have the Earth view. We have the Google map. We have the
Okay.
they have different kind of view, sha. Terrain or something. Okay. No, please use. You are using Bing. Please use Google.com. Google.com. Don't use Bing search engine. First, go to Google.com in your URL. In your URL, that URL. No, the URL slot here. Google.com. Okay, your browser is Edge. No wonder.
Why?
That's the reason why.
Why is there no order?
That's the reason why Bing is your search engine. Bing. Bing is
Okay.
Bing is like Google.com. It's a search
Oh,
engine. Yeah.
oh, what is it? Okay.
Okay, so just paste that stuff there. No, map. Just go to map side. Images. No, images. Images. Just go to images. Or is it? I'm coming. Oh, let's check it out. Maybe we'll check image. We'll check map.
Okay.
Okay, it's not image. Please come to map. Okay, now I think there should be a menu box that can allow us change the view. This view is not the one we want. I'm coming. Just wait. So please click on that. No, no. Click on that thing that looks like menu on the left hand side here. Yeah. It's not clickable.
Yeah.
Spectranet is really poor.
Huh?
I said Spectranet is really poor today.
It's not even usually good at my shop here.
Oh, okay.
I Yeah, it's always very bad here. That's why I always go home whenever it's time for class.
Oh, okay. So sorry because I'm having
I
another
have
meeting
things.
by 2. That's why.
It's not clicking.
Okay. The thing is, let me fix it on my hand and then I'll share the knowledge with you after.
Alright, no problem.
Please kindly tag me along on that project. The one that we're trying to fix the
Yeah.
map. Yeah. Let me take one more inquiry, one more question before 1:30. So I can take the 1:30 to prepare myself ahead of the other class.
So we'll still have another class because we still have what's it called?
We are supposed to have issued your certificate. I would speak
Yes.
to my colleague so that we can send it out to you before the month of March ends.
Okay, you are going to
Yeah,
put me through portfolio.
no problems. It's going to be electronic one, Sha.
Hmm?
Yeah,
Okay, share the
yeah, yeah,
certificate.
sure.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, that's the view I wanted to show you. Don't worry, let me just check it. Let me do it from here. And once I'm done with it, I'll share the knowledge with you. Maybe
Okay.
on Thursday, we would have another session together. Because I'm having an event
Oh,
tomorrow. So I'm not
okay.
on set.
So is there something you need me to correct for them?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, the design is actually not complete. The first page. Please zoom out.
Okay.
Yeah, the design is actually not complete. The first
Yeah, it's
page.
not because I'm supposed to move this page in here. That is what they did. So
Okay.
I think yeah. So I'll have to minimize it, right? Because I don't
You
know how to
you
go
you
about it.
duplicate it and then you use that
Uh,
key. Don't use V. Don't use the
okay,
move
okay,
tool of V to reduce it. Oh,
okay,
use
okay,
the one of
yeah,
K to reduce it.
okay.
And that's one. And two is please try to design the other part of that third screen so that
The third,
it's just the map that is remaining.
all right, no problem.
Yeah, yeah.
So
And
it's good this way.
yeah, yeah. And don't
Like
forget to
I
share.
left with that.
Don't forget to share.
Then
Don't
I did not. we did not remember to take status bar class. So I
Okay.
don't know if this is good.
Okay, during the training time, we didn't take status bar
No,
session.
at all.
Oh wow, that's
Yeah.
my bad actually.
So I just managed to
I'm
do this with London.
really, we didn't do
Yeah,
status bar in the app.
at
That
all.
fashion app, it wasn't there.
You did it, I think, after the class, but you didn't show it.
Okay, I did it personally, right?
Yeah,
Oh, my
because
bad.
on my own, it's not there.
Oh, okay. So sorry, please.
Yeah,
So sorry about that.
it's fine.
Oh, that's true. I think I did it after the class. No wahala. Yeah. So let's keep going. So don't worry. I'll still walk you through it. So now that's okay. I think you've done it already.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking if it is okay
Oh
or
yeah,
there's
sure. It
something
is.
I.
No, it is actually. It is. It is. The alignments are okay. Yeah. The icons you used. Oh, oh. She left the meeting. I guess that's a network.